Hi and welcome to Breakfast English. Today we are talking about conjunctions, the little words that join together sentences. There are 7, but today we are looking at the most common 5. First, let's look at and. And is the easiest and the most used. And is used to join things together into a group. I like cats and dogs. We had wind and rain yesterday. The next one, but. But gives a sense of doubt. For example, I like drinking wine, but it's not good for me. The next one is or. Or gives people a choice. So you could say, would you like to eat spaghetti or risotto? Nor. Nor is usually used with neither. So I can say my friend is a vegetarian. She eats neither fish nor meat. That's all for today. For the whole transcript of the lesson, please go to my website.